How are you all? Hina, Durgesh, Amrita, Ananya, Anjali, Takshil. I think a couple of people are missing, or everyone is here. Whatever. Okay, did you practice isometric and orthographic? How about you, Hina?
No,
Where were you?
I was not in my house for 2 days.
Okay, where were
I
you?
was in family functions.
You went for a trip?
No,
Hmm.
पूजा थी सर.
पूजा थी?
हाँ.
किस चीज को? गणेश पूजा?
हाँ.
अच्छा, ओके, गणपति बप्पा. Okay. So what did you learn in Ganesh Puja?
बहुत सारे मतलब शेप्स पे भी काम किया, डेकोरेशन सब किया, तो उसमें सब देखा कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह.
किया? अरे
हाँ,
बड़े वाह,
जैसे लाइंस वगैरह दिख रहा था थोड़ा.
बहुत अच्छा. ऐसी ऐसी होती है पढ़ाई. ठीक है. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बहुत सुंदर सुंदर रंगोली बना के भेजा था इस बार, फोटोग्राफ. Okay, so wherever you go, whatever you're doing, design is all about how well you're observing things and what are the new things you're learning from there. Now when you start doing these things again after learning these techniques, some of the techniques, your way of doing things will be little bit different than the previous. पहले करते थे और इस बार कुछ किया देखा तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस लगा. इस बार मतलब इस बार चीजें पता थी कि अरे ऐसे ऐसे होता है, इसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे है तो ऐसा इफेक्ट आ रहा है. Slowly when you start learning more things, no, once you understand the principles, once you understand the color psychology, उसके बाद और ज्यादा चीज समझ में आने लगी कि ये चीज अगर ब्लू है तो क्यों ब्लू है. एंड जब ऐसा है सेम सिचुएशन व्हेन यू विल गेट and you have to design something for that situation, then you'll be able to understand, okay, what kind of thing you should choose, what kind of element you should draw, what kind of color you should compose. So it's a very nice feeling. And slowly we become designer. This year there are going to be a lot more experiments. We are bringing some more experiments so that you learn in a best possible way, like real design, because the examination patterns are rapidly changing every year is rapidly changing. And the biggest reason is that every year our situation is changing, the technology is changing, the way we behave, that is changing. This time is going to be a lot more different, a lot more different, because right now we are facing some kind of situation no one was prepared for it. So, and any other examination will might not be having impact of this situation, but design is going to have a lot of impact because of this design examination. You will see your engineering science की चीजें आएंगी, your your humanities, ठीक है. Right, commerce, you have economics and all this stuff, but what about design? You need to know life, you need to know human behavior. So keep close eye on all the developments what is happening these days. Okay, I'll suggest you some of the pages on Instagram. All of you uses Instagram. Who is here who don't use Instagram, who doesn't have Instagram account, who is addicted to Instagram? Raise your hand. You're like, okay, Hina. Hina is there.
Sir, I don't have
Okay,
Instagram account.
you don't have Instagram account? Okay, start one.
No, sir.
Uzma is also addicted to Instagram. Uzma, open your video. Anika, what about you? Do you use Instagram or you don't use Instagram?
I do. I use it.
And you're not
I'm not.
addicted?
No, not that much.
Not that much, but yeah. Okay. Okay. So, in what sense you use Instagram? You know, in what sense you use Instagram?
or paintings and all. I post them.
You post your paintings there?
Yes.
That's nice. Ananya, in what sense do you use Instagram?
Sir, even I have an art account for posting my paintings.
Even you don't have account?
I have
Okay.
an art account. I have.
You have art account. Okay, art account. Okay, your voice is coming a little bit low. Okay, so you promote your work. Durgesh, तुम्हारा क्या सीन है? You post engineering memes? All the engineers. Yeah, they are after memes. You have engineering faculty too.
I also post some of the that art I work on
Okay,
Instagram and just a personal account, sir.
that's
I didn't
nice.
use
That's
it
nice.
that much.
We find only two types of engineers. Either they are addicted to themselves or they are addicted to memes. So हमारे पास एक और इंजीनियर है घर में. This is me. Okay. So okay, all right, very nice. So now what you're gonna use Instagram in what sense is for your knowledge. Okay, not just art, not just looking after दूसरों की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, कितना खुश है तो मैं थोड़ा सा दुखी हो जाऊं, वो कुछ करना पड़ेगा लाइफ में. So sad. But everyone is going through same situation. It's just मैंने समोसा बनाया, बहुत ही से, और समोसा ठीक अच्छा बना था. आई पोस्टेड एकदम अच्छे से, उसको घी भी लगा के, मतलब दही पता नहीं क्या क्या उसके अंदर डाल के. It was looking nice. It didn't taste so good, but you know चटनी के साथ जितना टेस्ट करता वैसा टेस्ट नहीं किया. I thought कि this will taste like that. But दिखने में इतना सुंदर, मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया इंस्टाग्राम. इतने सारे ऐसे ना मैसेज आए. एक मेरा फ्रेंड तो उठ के आ भी गया खाने के लिए. Like, but I know the reality. What was the situation? So yeah. Anyway, so apart from these things, right now you're going to use Instagram for your knowledge. Okay, how many of you follow National Geographic channel? How many of you follow that channel? How many followers do you have? Let me ask Hina. How many followers and how many followings?
Followers around 180 and 150. दो accounts है and following around 200.
Okay. Yeah, promote little harder. The follower should grow a little more. Okay. Amrita?
800 and 500.
800 and 500. That's great. Learn something from her. गौरव सर का बस 400 है. अनन्या?
Sir, following 750, followers 500.
Oh, Anika, how many followings? Forget about the followers. How many followings?
Sorry, sir.
How many followings do you have? How many people do
How
you
many
follow?
followers? Okay, I follow 287.
200. Yeah. Okay. So basically around you, all of you are like that, right? Now among those 200, 300 or 500, there should be NetGeo, channel and their travel channel, NetGeo Travel. NetGeo and NetGeo Travel, and NetGeo India. These three. Now here, some great people. Liquid ink. Biswal. What's the name of that girl? Chrissy Zulo. Chrissy Zulo. You can check her account, but these two are very important.
Sir,
Yes.
I have also a channel that is 100 Day of Sketching, sir.
100 day of sketching. That is fine. That is fine. No, what I am giving is they are masters of particular domain. Okay, they are the masters of particular domain. So the process, the kind of process these people use is like, you know, it's brilliant. Okay, so this one is about art, this one is about illustrations and all this stuff. Okay, okay, there is one more thing, Indian culture. Gatha, GAATHA, Gatha Handicrafts. Okay, that will be fine. All right, so follow these things and start learning that whatever thing is happening about your country, about the culture, what's happening in the world, and how masters are taking up the techniques and exploring. Okay, so this should be there in your followings and all this stuff. And whatever the things you're getting, take inspiration and do some art. Okay, do some art. Slowly I will suggest more as our study will go further. We'll see more and more things and we'll work for that. Okay, now all of you, whatever you have drawn till this time, yesterday, whatever you did, post in the group. Did you post in the group? Every day whatever you're drawing, group में post करना है तुमको, है ना? Post in the group so that we can see how your growth is going on. Quickly. Isometric and orthographic, the PDF, the document of that thing I will post in the group. Okay, Hina, go through that document. If you face any kind of confusion after reading that and after understanding that, or do one thing when you go through that, and do not search on the internet also. Okay, that what is a isometric and orthographic. Do not do that. I'll tell you why. Reason behind it. So first you go through that document and try to understand whatever you will be able to understand. There is a fire coming out of your pocket. So after that, whatever you understand, try to draw something. Okay, after understanding those things, and then अंजलि भी सारे सही ला रही है, तुमने सीख लिया है. This will not work on you because we already know now. But anyway, who hasn't done that class, it's for them. So try to iterate those things and let me see that what is your level of understanding just by looking at the document. Okay, and after that, if you face any kind of trouble, any kind of challenge, of course you are going to get a class about that. Okay, yeah, so don't worry about that. Okay, post कर दिया तुम लोगों ने? Durgesh has just Durgesh. Okay, how many of you did not draw anything yesterday? Raise your hand. You didn't draw a single line also. Okay, we'll start from Anika. Anika, what did you do if you haven't drawn anything? Yesterday was Sunday.
Sir, I didn't get the PDF.
You had the class.
Yeah, but
PDF से क्या मिलेगा तुमको? PDF में तो कुछ है भी नहीं. It's just little bit of information. When you had the class, the person who has written little bit of things from the class in the PDF is teaching you. तो तुमने तो क्लास ही करा है, तुमने तो मास्टरी क्लास कर लिया. So PDF से तुम्हारे लिए किसी काम का नहीं है.
yeah.
Anjali,
Yes, sir.
what were you doing that you didn't know anything?
Sir, I was doing Rimjim ma'am's drawing. I mean, her assignment. What she assigned.
Show me.
I didn't
What
draw
was that
completely. I
assignment?
have to color it.
What was that assignment?
So here she gave us 3 boxes. In first box there was a calendar. In second box there was a bottle, and she told us to fill the third box.
Okay. Okay. I'll talk to Rimzim ma'am. You attended her class today?
No, sir.
No, she
Today we
has
have her.
Sunday. Yeah, okay. Okay. I'll see. Just send me whatever you have done in the Rimzim ma'am's class. Amrita?
I
What were
was
you doing?
doing college assignment,
What was the assignment? Which subject?
math.
Mathematics. Okay, I will not ask the assignment because I didn't have mathematics. Anyway, I will not answer. But did you have? You didn't have even half an hour?
No, I mean I could find time if I did something.
I need to talk to your mom. Ananya, what is your situation?
Sir, I sent in the group.
Oh, you sent? Uzma? Darhashini?
Sir, I was busy in my assignments, so college assignments.
Busy in college assignments. Okay, Darhashini? Darhashini Dukka?
Sir, actually, I was ill, sir, so had
What?
fever.
You had fever.
Sir, I had fever. Yes, sir.
So you were not able to move your fingers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I think it was
What
the
did fever it was?
coronavirus.
Oh, what?
Sir, I think it was the coronavirus. I couldn't breathe properly, and
I hope you're okay right now. Don't give
yes,
this
sir.
kind of.
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Now
You're okay, no?
fine.
Yes, sir. I am fine.
Okay. You had the checkups?
No, sir.
देखो सडनली गौरव सर को इंटरेस्ट आ गया, वीडियो को ऑन कर लिया, जस्ट टेक करो कि क्या हो गया. Darasani, please
Sir,
take
I'm
care of
fine
your.
right now.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
It was, I think it was coronavirus. Now I'm fine, so it's not coronavirus. Yesterday,
Yeah.
I was thinking like that, कि it's a coronavirus. Now she is fine, right?
So whenever any kind of problem you all are getting coronavirus, so draw coronavirus itself. It has a structure, right?
Yes, sir.
Tension में तो tension को ही draw करो ना. This is how the best practice happens. If you are in tension, draw your tension. Okay, so all those people who are doing college assignments, okay, I have been to college. I was in biology. I had PCMB. No, BM. Biology was the main prominent one. Mathematics was the secondary one. I had like almost everything. So in 1 year only, I got bored and I dropped. After that, I went to arts. I dropped 1 year. I went to arts. And after that, I started learning design, preparing for design, and went for design college. Yes, but I used to get less marks in chemistry, and that was the main breaking point. I broke off from science. Physics was love. Biology was crush. So that kind of thing, and you invest so much for your crush. I used to draw in biology, and that teacher used to like me so much that someone is treating biology like biology should be treated. Okay, so used to at that time only, as my feelings came forward for graphical representations, and I got to know that, and my brother suggested me, you're good with all this stuff, you should do this thing. Went towards that. But I remember that we had that much time. You can draw for half an hour. At least start drawing for mathematics. No, draw for mathematics. I'm sure there must be ways to draw for mathematics. I'll search one video today and I'll send you. You will see. Okay. So how many of you are going to promise that this next time is not going to happen the same thing? Raise your hand. Why this is important? Because I think that you all are beautiful. You all are very much, you have empathy. And that is the most important part we need for design. I really want you to be a beautiful designer. So one day if you're missing, that means you're missing one day of growth. We should not sacrifice that. Okay. And in next class, I'll share you my experience with a string instrument, which I wanted to learn after 10th only. From 10th till was उस time तक we didn't have any kind of idea that what music and all this stuff. गांव में वैसा कुछ नहीं होता है. गांव में if you're singing, if you're playing music, नचनिया गवैया ये सब उपमा मिल जाता है तुमको. You get this kind of title. What are you doing? मुजरा हो जो क्या मुजरा करना है तुमको, नाच रहे हो गा रहे हो. So this kind of culture we didn't have in the village. But later on we got this idea. But वो होता है ना कि if you don't get those things in your teenage or maybe in your childhood, then later on it becomes difficult. I'll tell you how the practice happens and how it impacts our muscles, memory, and our brain. In next class, I'll give you example with my the thing I've experienced with guitar in last 5 months. So I'm telling you, do not miss any day. At least एक drawing के लिए pencil पकड़ना है daily. half an hour itself, just give it. It will be good. It will be really good that you do for 30 minutes. Okay, so we have 8 minutes right now, and we are going to do one exercise, a quick exercise. Let's see how much you are able to get it. Keep your pencil. Are you on? Okay, this is a complicated product. I want you to simplify it and try to do it. I just want to see when you get complicated product, how much difficulty you face, so that next classes are going to be about complicated product drawings. So that in prior, I can understand your current situation and I'll be able to teach you in a very efficient way.